Hi everyone, welcome to CFC Collins Food Cut, and today I'll be showing you how to make custard powder, milk custard. So I'll be needing my cornstarch, then my milk powder, powdered milk, and I'll be needing granulated sugar, and this is my egg yellow, and I'll be using vanilla flavor for this recipe. You can actually use any flavor of your choice depending on what you want. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, I'll add my sugar here and I'll blend till it's smooth. This is my sugar. Okay, I'm going to be adding my cornstarch now. And this is my milk, powdered milk. I'll be needing my egg yellow. I just need a pinch of it. This is what I need. Then I'll cover. Okay, it's properly covered now. So okay, I'll be adding my vanilla flavor. I just need little of this. So I'll use my to measure just a little, and you add inside. So guys, this is my mixture. So I'm going to add it in a sieve. Wow, my milk custard is ready. ready to consume. So you store this in an airtight container, not to allow air to penetrate in. Also remember to be hygienic always when cooking, because your health is our priority. Thank you for watching this video, and also please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you get lots of videos from us. Thank you very much. Love you all. God bless you. Bye.